Second and 11 for the Giants. Just underway in the fourth quarter in a one-point game. Here comes the blitz. Manning sidesteps. Manning throws deep, wide open. Bye-bye, Beckham. Touchdown, Giants. "48 yards. Manning to Beckham."
Well, Gus Bradley, defensive coordinator for the Chargers, had the perfect play called. A blitz by the corner, Desmond King, and Desmond King whiffs on the tackle of Manning in the pocket. Watch number 20 coming free. For some reason, jumps up into the air instead of going for Manning, and he's going to pay for it along with his team as Casey Hayward goes for the little out-and-up move. And Beckham is going to give some life to this Giants defense.